Hello friend, Assalam Alaikum. My name is Ahmed Javed and welcome to my channel Easy to Learn 494. Friends, in this short video today I will show you some tools for cutting, stripping, fitting the wire in the DB, MDB and FDB. These tools are maybe you already familiar with in these tools, but at here I show you some tool with the different size and model. Maybe there are some beginner and maybe he can learn from this video. This small tool for use the electronics and motherboard and PCB board, electronics, small electronic circuit working. You can cut wire from these tools. These three are basic and simple tool. You can see here there are some number showing on this face. You can see here some gauge and wire size number. And this tool is used for 1.5 mm square, 2.5 and 4 mm or 6 mm wire for FDB and distribution board, cutting and stripping the wire. These are you also known with a name of mouse plier, and this is your journal and basic plier, basic tool for every electrical and electronics. This is basic, you already know this. This is a cutter, and this also name is a plier, but this plier is used for cut the wire. These two tools are used for metal work, and you can any metal from help of this. And this is very sharp and very well gripped and very powerful tool. This tool is for use helping the holding anything, and this is used for the your any where you can cut. For many time I use this tool in the fitting of DB wire, FDB. And these three tool are you also know this name is paper cutter, but in simple and general we always called it cutter. So this is used for the MDB main power cable, like 15 mm wire for the stripping and cutting, not used for cutting, only the strip the wire just in the MDB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like my work, and thumb up. Stay tuned. Goodbye.